Hello and welcome to our today's tutorial. Today I am going to demonstrate how you can summarize all the haphazard data in a particular section in the Google spreadsheet. For example, this data contains the repetition of the same number, but the repeated numbers are not summarized. You can summarize the repeated numbers using the query function. For example, after applying the query function, you can see that the data for 1746 has been summarized here. How many times the data has been input in the form responses are summarized in this section. So let's know how we can summarize this type of repeated data in a one section using the query function. Okay, let's start for this spreadsheet. It contains a repetition of different types of data in the form responses. We are going to summarize this data in a specific sheet. So at first we are going to create the sheet with a number that will be accumulated in here. This is 1678, then another 1751 and 1752. So these are the total number, 7 different types of number that is present in this haphazard sheet. So first we are going to apply this query function for 1746. How many times 1746 has been repeated in this form response? So select the topmost left row in the Google spreadsheet. Now put your function, type equal sign, type query, then select the query. Now it will be from the form response 1. So type a comma, write down F1 RM form RESPONSES form responses space 1, type a comma. Since we are going to export the data from the response form 1, so you have to put an exclamatory sign. Now the range of the data. The range of data should be date, ID, name, course title, course code, section, class number, etc. So it starts from the column A and ends to the column A. So I'm going to put this number here. This number here, capital letter A colon I. Okay, now put a comma. Now since we are going to select all the different types of title entitled in the different types of title, for example the ID course title that was in the column B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So we are going to select all those columns. SELECT, select B, comma C, comma D, comma E, comma F, comma G, comma H, comma I. Now write where WHERE, where C is equal to the ID number, that is 1746, equal to comma 05200101746, close the comma, put a double inverted sign and close the bracket. Okay, let's see what happens. So there is a error sign, that means formula error. Let's check where the error occurred. Okay, there should be an inverted comma before the select. There another error. It's okay since it is a green color, therefore it is okay. Yes, 1 space. Okay, there was a space, so you have to put form responses space 1. Now it's okay. You can see the number that appeared in here. So let's do it for 1752. Select the left topmost column. Now put the equal sign, type query. Now put a comma, write down form responses space 1, comma, exclamatory sign, A, exclamatory sign, then capital letter A, colon I, so that response from 1 has been selected, comma, put a space, double comma, type select, 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 space B, comma C, comma D, comma E, comma F, comma G, comma H, comma I. Now write down where, WHERE, where space capital letter C is equal to space comma 05200 301752, comma, double comma, close the bracket, put enter. So that's it. In this way you can summarize all the data in this particular sheet. Thanks to all for joining us with this tutorial. Hope you will find it helpful.